Next problem. For complex value of z, solve z mod plus z is equal to 2 plus iota. So given that z mod plus z is equal to 2 plus iota, let z is equal to x plus iota y. Now on putting the value of z here, we find x plus iota y mod plus x plus iota y is equal to 2 plus iota, and mod of x plus iota y will be equal to x square plus y square under root plus x plus iota y is equal to 2 plus iota. These two complex numbers are equal here. It means its real and imaginary part will also be equal. So x square plus y square under root plus x will be equal to 2 and y will be equal to 1. So under root x square plus y square will be equal to 2 minus x. On squaring both sides, we find x square plus y square is equal to 2 minus x whole square, or is equal to 4 plus x square minus 4x. This x square cancel by x square. So we find y square plus 4x is equal to 4. Now on putting the value of y here, because y is given here, on putting the value of y, and y is 1, so 4x will be equal to 4 minus 1. It means 4x will be equal to 3, or x will be equal to 3 by 4. So because z is equal to x plus iota y, now on putting the value of x and y here, we find z is equal to 3 by 4 plus, because y is 1, plus iota. This is value of z here. Next problem. If x is equal to minus 5 plus 2 under root minus 4, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 9 x cube plus 35 x square minus x plus 4. So given that x is equal to minus 5 plus 2 under root minus 4, and we want to find value of x to the power 4 plus, and we want to find here value of x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. We want to find here value of this function, and given that x is equal to minus 5 plus 2 under root minus 4, this will be x is equal to minus 5 plus, because under root minus 1 is iota and under root 4 is 2, it means this will be 4 iota. So x is equal to minus 5 plus 4 iota. It means x plus 5 will be equal to 4 iota. On squaring both sides, we find x plus 5 whole square will be equal to 16 iota square, and we know that iota square is minus 1, so this will be minus 16, or this will be x square plus 25 plus 10 x is equal to minus 16, or x square plus 10x plus 41 is equal to 0. Now using this result, x square plus 10x plus 41, we find value of x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. So we change x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 in this form. So this will be equal to x square into x square plus 10x plus 41 minus x into x square plus 10x plus 41 plus 4 into x square plus 10x plus 41 minus 160. Because given that x square plus 10x plus 41 is 0, so value of first term will be x square into 0, second term will be x into 0, third term plus 4 into 0 minus 160. It means the result is minus 160 here. So answer is minus 160 of this problem. Now we solve next problem. If iota z cube plus z square minus z plus iota is equal to 0, then so that mod of z is equal to 1. So given that iota z cube plus z square minus z plus iota is equal to 0. So given that iota z cube plus z square minus z plus iota is equal to 0. Now on dividing both sides by iota, we find z cube plus 1 upon iota into z square minus 1 upon iota into z plus 1 is equal to 0. Because 1 upon iota is minus iota, so this will be z cube minus iota z square plus iota z minus iota square is equal to 0. Because iota square is minus 1 or minus 1 into minus is plus 1, so we put minus iota square in place of 1. Now z square is common here, it means z minus iota. Now plus iota is common here, then you find z minus iota is equal to 0, and z minus iota is again common, then you find z square plus iota is equal to 0. So either z minus iota is equal to 0, so z will be equal to iota, or mod z will be equal to iota mod, and we know that iota mod is 1, it means z mod is equal to 1. Similarly, z square plus iota is equal to 0, it means z square will be equal to minus iota. Taking mod on both sides, then you find z square mod is equal to minus iota mod. It means this will be z mod whole square, or iota mod is 1. So this will be z mod will be equal to 1. So value of z mod is 1 here. Hence proved. Next problem. Find the square root of minus 15 minus 8 iota. Given that minus 15 minus 8 iota, we want to find here a square root of this number. Let this will be equal to x plus iota y. On squaring both sides, we find minus 15 minus 8 iota is equal to x plus iota y whole square. Now on squaring both sides, we find minus 15 minus 8 iota is equal to x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy. Now we know that if two complex numbers are equal, it means their real and imaginary part will also be equal. So in left side real part is minus 15, and in right side real part is x square minus y square. It means x square minus y square will be equal to minus 15, and imaginary part in left side is minus 8 and in right side is 2xy. It means 2xy will be equal to minus 8, because imaginary part in left side is minus 8 and in right is 2xy, so 2xy will be equal to minus 8. It means xy will be equal to minus 4. Now using the formula x square plus y square is equal to under root x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. We find value of x square plus y square here, because x square minus y square is minus 15. So minus 15 square plus 4 into value of xy is minus 4. So minus 4 square, or is equals to 289, 225, because 15 square is 225 plus 4 into 64, or you find 9, 8, 2. This is under root 289, and under root 289 is 17 square. It means this will be 17. So value of x square plus y square is 17, and value of x square minus y square is minus 15, and x square plus y square is equal to 17. Using these two results, we find value of x and y here. If we add these two numbers, then you find 2x square will be equal to 2, and x square will be equal to 1. So x will be equal to plus minus 1. And if we subtract these two results, then we find value of 2y square is equal to 32. So y square will be equal to 16, and y will be equal to plus minus 4. Because product of x and y is minus 4 here, so if we take x is equal to 1, then y will be equal to minus 4, and if we take x is equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to plus 4. So there are two complex number, 1 minus 4 iota and minus 1 plus 4 iota. These two numbers are square root of minus 15 minus 8 iota. There are two numbers, 1 minus 4 iota and 1 minus 1 plus 4 iota, which is square root of this number minus 15 plus minus 8 iota. So answer is 1 minus 4 iota, and second minus 1 plus 4 iota.